How to fix WhatsApp keep stopping. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix WhatsApp keep on crashing or keep on stopping. So what you need to do is here, if you cannot open the WhatsApp application and having some issues, first of all, you could simply long press the WhatsApp application, tap on the I button and go to storage and cache. Next, click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data. Only if you're sure about it, go with that. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. Now then, hold on to your side button and then restart your device, and that's going to definitely help you out. And if the issue still persists on despite that, you could also try updating or check for an update. Go to your respective app store. On the search bar, you type in WhatsApp and locate whether the app needs to be updated or not. In some cases, it could be due to the outdated version as well, so that might be able to fix. Apart from it, you could also try deleting any of the data or unwanted data that's stored on your WhatsApp. That might be able to help. If not, if nothing works out, then the last alternative is to simply uninstall WhatsApp and then download the latest version of it. And in the meanwhile, you could also restart your device, and that's going to help you out to fix. So these are a couple things you could fix WhatsApp keep on stopping. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.